Okay, here we are with part 2 with the actual wearing of the belt. I'm sorry I had to. Maybe if I move that up a little bit. There we are. Not there yet. Okay, so we're going to be doing the henshin now. I'm not going to be doing the actual poses because I don't really have knights down yet. What are you doing? I'm sorry, we have a little intruder on the table here that could very much. There, stay down. Sorry, I guess she really wants to be a part of this review. Okay. So now to turn it on, there's a button up there, and I don't know if you can actually see the light, but okay. So we're going to be doing nights too, but not just yet. Okay. So HENSHIN. So now, as you can see, I am Ryuki. You can pull the parts out, get the same sound. I'm not going to pull them all out, because, and like I said, I don't have nights down yet. I think it's like sort of thing. HENSHIN. And that's what the. Maybe if I actually just close the blind a little bit, maybe we can sacrifice some of the light and still maintain an actual. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, try to get close to the. You can see the nice symbol in there and that. Because this is a Legend Rider series belt. That's kind of. Now it's just funneling the light. I don't eat that. Okay. So because this is an actual Legend Rider series belt, it does have these. It's basically where you're supposed to put the weapon, and there actually is a little mold. I don't know if you can actually see it that good. Let me take in the belt, but it is actually a molded outline of the things where you basically just hook the thing in like that. But it doesn't. And you may be wondering what the red strap is here. That's for the second review, because like I said, I am a big guy. And I am a big guy, and I did buy the belt extenders. The problem is that they're still too small for me. So I actually had to mod the belts together. Like just join them together. So like, you can actually see in the back there. That's the second review for Blade. But there's one really neat. Well, first I should to actually get the belt on and off. There's a couple things right here. You press down like that. There's no like actual like sound or whatever when you put it in like some of the belts. I've heard or whatever. But now I'm going to show you something really fun. Or actually, I should probably show you basically. There's a little raised button right there that when you pull the card out, it hits it, so it can go like that. So I'm going to show you something really cool. If you shut this off and then pull the buckle out, like pull the deck out while you're turning it on, you get. Shut. Damn it! You get 5, which I know it was on the actual original series, the original belt. I have no idea why. But if you wanted to do it again, just put the belt in and pull it out. Now, if you think that's all the secret sounds there is actually another one. If you hold this down and put the deck in, you get the exceed chart. Now this belt, to reset it, all you have to do is just shut it off, turn it back on again without a belt. This belt actually costs a little bit more than the other Legend Rider series belt. The other Legend Riders ran me about $34 each. This one was actually about 37, but I think that's because you get the extra deck. But basically, for 36 bucks, you get the 2 decks, 4 cards, and these are really nice decks too. I like them; they're actually really good size, and you could be both Rookie or Knight, whoever your favorite guy is. I don't know. Actually, there's a button on the inside here that you can just press it down. You get the same HENSHIN sound, that sort of thing. This is probably the, next to the Xeranos belt, the best Legend Rider series belt you can ever find. It's pretty freaking awesome, actually. Like I said, vacuum metallized foil for the decks, and they are raised too. Now, here's what I was going to talk to you about. I've seen some videos of the Kamen Rider Dragon Knight deck. I was actually really looking forward to getting it until I found out about this. You don't get these. You get something similar, but it got a blank face. But you got 6 double-sided cards, just cards that go on there, so it could be like your favorite rider. The only problem is that it's actually a piece of the belt, not a separate piece. You can pop it out, but you have to put it back in, and then, of course, if you've seen Dragon Knight, you've seen the thing spins and spins and spins and spins and spins. Yeah, well, apparently there's a little switch that you have to do that to make it, like you have to make it look like you're playing guitar or something, or just like that. Yeah. And it doesn't even go all the way over too. When I first seen that, I was like, okay, no, I'm really glad I didn't find that. Because, honestly, I don't know why they just couldn't give us this. I don't know why. It's like the same belt length as any other, like as the same belt, I would imagine. I don't even think you get these either. I think they're just like molded on little circles. Like just little circle-ish things that go over the belt. Doesn't even really have a shape or anything, just like... Wait. Kohan is looking at me weird. Okay. You wanna go outside? Maybe she wants to go outside. Yeah, she wants to go outside. Okay, so we'll have to say goodbye for one for a little bit. Okay, so that is it for the Dragon... No, damn it! That is it for the Rookie Legend Rider Series belt review. If you can find one, I highly recommend it. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5, definitely. Okay, now we're going to get on to the next review, and I'll show you what that is in a minute.